Hi friends, today we're going to learn three new sight words and we're going to do an activity to help you learn those sight words. But before we start, can you go get a stuffed animal um, that's small enough for it to sit next to you while you're doing this? All right, if you have your stuffed animal, I want you to put it somewhere next to you where it's not going to distract you while you're learning your new sight words. So today we're going to do an activity that you probably did in class. Let's look at our first sight word. The sight word is red. Can you read that sight word with me? Then. Now, can you read it to your stuffed animal? All right, let's study the sight word then. What do you notice about the letters in that word? Can you tell your teddy bear something you notice about those letters? I notice that then has a digraph in it, the digraph TH in the beginning. All right, now we're going to spell then together. T H E N. Let's write it in the air. I want you to get your pointer finger and let's write it T H E N. As I was writing it, I was saying the letters out loud because that will help me remember how to spell it. Now, can you use then in a sentence? Look at your stuffed animal and use then in a sentence. My sentence is I will do my writing, then I will go outside and play. All right, now we're going to look at another sight word. Our second sight word that we're learning is out. All right, let's read that together. Out. Now, can you read it to your stuffed animal? Let's study the letters in out. What do you notice? Can you tell your stuffed animal? I notice that out has two vowels, an O and a U. Okay, now let's spell it, but this time when you spell it, can you use a mouse voice? And I'll do it with you. O-U-T. Great. Now get your pointer finger and let's write it in the air. And as you're writing in the air, say the letters as you write them so that you can remember them. O U T. Great job writing that in the air. Now, can you use out in a sentence? Can you tell your stuffed animal what that sentence is? My sentence is I took my dogs out. All right, friends, we're going to practice one more sight word and we're going to learn it. Some of you may already know this sight word. The last sight word is many. Let's read it together and read it to your stuffed animal too. Many. Let's study the letters in the word many. What do you notice about those letters? I notice that it has some of the letters have tails like the M, the A, and the N. All right, let's spell the word many, but this time I want you to put your glasses on and I want you to spell it. M-A-N-Y. All right, can you put your glasses away and save them for later? Now let's write many in the air. Get your pointer finger out. M. I love how you're saying the letters out loud as you write them. A N Y. Now, can you use many in a sentence? Tell your stuffed animal. How many cars do you have in your room? Now that we practiced our sight word, I'm going to show you what you're going to now be doing with your sight words. Today, you are going to practice writing your sight words, but you're going to write your sight words in a sentence, just like what we did. So The sight words are in a box, in a rectangle, and the first sight word you'll do is out. So you will, whatever sentence you told your stuffed animal, or if you want to think of another one, you'll write a sentence under the word out. Then, after you write your sentence, and don't forget that the first letter should always be uppercase, that you should have spaces and punctuation, whether it's a period, a question mark, or an exclamation at the end. So, after you write your sentence, then you'll move to the next word, many, and you'll think of a sentence with the word many. And then the last sentence is then. After you've written your sentences, you get to pick one sentence that you want to draw a picture of. And at the top of your page, you'll see a rectangle. That is where you draw one picture. So pick one sentence that you loved. After you're done with that activity, make sure you upload it on Seesaw so that we can see all the different sentences that you wrote. Have fun. Bye.